guys, so basically I'm going to make apple juice, 100% natural apple juice. Alright, look at this one. So what you want to do is get yourself some apple and remove the skin from the apple. Alright guys, this one you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so that's what they want to do. You want to remove the skin from the apple. Alright, so yeah, you guys definitely can try this one at home, and if it's a good recipe for you, why not? Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. So that's 3 apple. Alright, I'm gonna remove the skin from this one. Alright, now what to do? Cut it up small. Put it straight into your blender like this. It's gonna be very healthy. Right. Very healthy one. See? That's exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about. I'm gonna get a piece of a ginger, remove the skin. I'm using organic root ginger, so you must know that's perfect. Inside of it, lemon or lime, whatever you have, but I have lime. This one, you know, it's simple. Remove the skin from it, just like this. And now, just cut it up into some small pieces and put it into your blender. Put a little bit of water, not much, and blend this about 3 to 4 seconds. Alright, it won't be long. It's gonna be a very quick one for you. No honey, no sugar, no sweet. Look at that. Natural and authentic. Let's put the camera. Zoom up the camera. Alright, as you guys can see. Alright, now I'm gonna blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. Look at this. Just to make sure it's good. Good to go. amazing. Look at it. Let's shear it up. All right, that's what we're going to do. Shear it up right now in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. All right, so hopefully you guys will like this one. Look at this. So amazing. You can smell the ginger, the lemon, the lime, whatever you're using. It's fantastic, nice and lovely. All right, so here it is, guys. It's fantastic. Enjoy.